So our problem today is going to compare two gardens, McKenna's garden and Carl's garden, and we want to see which one has the bigger area. So we're going to start off by drawing Carl's garden, which is 20 by 35. So here I have 20 feet and 35 feet. I'm just going to finish off the rectangle. And the way we're actually going to see whose is bigger is we're going to compare them and lay the other one on top. So now we're going to do McKenna's garden, which is 25 by 30. So we know this is 20. So we're going to add 5 more on the end because it's 25. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we know it's 30. So we're going to go down 30. And we know 30 is here because Carl's garden is 35 and we just count 5 less. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gives us 30. And we're just going to close it off. And we're actually just going to finish drawing it all the way. And now what I like about this is that we can already see which part overlap. And it's all of this area right here. And you can tell that because of the two colors that are lining up. And we can just see it. So our next step is to figure out who actually has the bigger garden. And we're going to do that by comparing these two pieces and their area. So let's start off with Carl's. So we know that his garden was 20 by 35, but this part's already left, is already canceled out for us. So now we just have 5 left. And we have 5 by 20. So we're going to do some quick math. 5 times 20. Well, I know that 4 times 20 equals 80. So if I add one more 20 equals 100. And it gives me 5 groups of 20. So 5 times 20 equals 100. So this part of Carl's garden is 100 square feet. And then we're going to figure out the piece of McKenna's extra garden, which we know this is 5 and 30. So then we have 5 times 30. And I know that 2 times 30 equals 60. So 60 plus 60 equals 120, and that's 4 groups of 30. And then I'm going to add one more group because I need 5 groups, and I have 150. So 5 times 30 equals 150. And now we know that McKenna's extra piece is 150 square feet. And right there we can see that there's a little bit of a difference. So we're actually going to find the exact difference between the pieces. So we'll take 150, that's McKenna's piece, and Carl's piece, 100, and subtract them, and we get 50 feet. So now we know that McKenna's garden is 50 square feet larger than Carl's.